Hello guys, today's video is about solving the installation error code 0x80070570. I was trying to install a new operating system, Windows 10, to my PC using a stick memory. And during copying the required files, the installation process interrupted with this message. I almost looked everywhere to find a solution, but I didn't manage to. Then I had to take the PC to an IT technician to install the operating system for me. I realized that the issue was in my stick memory. So I think you should try a different stick memory. I hope this experience is helpful to you. Please like and comment if you find this useful. Thank you.